push no, Trevor?
Painful calm. I can't push it out.
You have to try. I say you have to work it out.
It's not strong enough yet, man.
You give up too easy. Try again.
Alright.
See there? I feel the strength now. Push, Trevor. Push! Push it up, Trevor. Yes. Push it up. Yes. Push it up, Trevor. Yes. Push it up. Yes, Trevor. Yes.
Let's do it.
You see it? I tell you, say I could have do it. You love give up too easy.
You know, say, you're one of them wicked gym instructor there.
No, sir. I couldn't do that. I couldn't be a gym instructor. I'm too lazy for that.
You never used to lazy when we had do them something they do.
That was then.
Man, say you're not lazy with your man Dave do.
Never. Dave have to drink up and strong back them for the things them. You're crazy?
Alright. TMI.
Then now you bring it up, sir.
That's why I never bring it down.
Boy, I'm jealous.
I not pretend. Of course, I feel away more time when time you talk about him.
Because we're not there, that's why. If I get a little piece on the side, you're not alright.
Hey, come here. You know why you feel like someone I respect your relationship, you know? Just when you come in at them sexy clothes there, you just want to feel like, you know?
Stay focused, Trevor. Don't make that distract you. We must can work together as friends.
Friend? You are not my friend. You're my baby mother.
We start out as friends. Then your girlfriend. Then your baby mother.
True. And we used to have enough fun.
Right. So we could go back to that.
We will try. But sometimes you have to catch me up back. You understand?
Well, as long as you narrate me.
Well, I'm not promise you, you know. I don't know.
You know, Mama come go outside, yeah?
Then you can't just stay in here and wait until we go shower and come.
Come. Are you alone that's what I see?
That's forward.
So, how am I going over this way?
Our, the things that need to go hold you down inside.
No, sir. I just come out to do a view of the place. I must want to get she or behave like she had a cool commercial. See ready? Hi, Mr. Sullivan.
Yes. Tafari.